Oh, I'm so excited that it's one that I wanted. That's nice, that's sophisticated. Hi guys, so for today's video I have something exciting. I've received something through the post that I know it's a fragrance because it's in this box of some description, so I'm guessing it's a community fragrance. They're due to be released next week, I believe, on the app for early app release, and then 2 days later in stores and online. I'm telling you all this, I don't even know if that's what it is yet, but I'm pretty certain it is. But I figured I'd come and share what we've got in this one together today, and then when they come out next week I'll get 2 more and we can go through those as well. So we've got two community fragrance videos. Anywho, let's open this and see what we've got. It feels like a perfume. It feels like small, you know? Let's find out. I'm so nervous. I'm really nervous. What is it? It's a body spray, I'm wrong. Okay. There's a little slip in there, so let's have a look first. It's not telling me what it is. Okay, brilliant. So it says feel good fragrance on the front, and then on the back it says dearest Lush community member, feel good fragrance as chosen by the Lush community. Get ready to fall in love with the latest fragrance drop. This sensational collection features 3 perfumes and 4 body sprays in fan favourite scents chosen by the Lush community. Expect community delights that will leave you feeling good and smelling great, including modern hits, Supermilk and Old Songs Awaking, beloved classics, Butterball and Milky Bath, and retro favourites, Cinder, Sultana and Yuzu and Cocoa. This Lush X community drop will be available for a limited time only. Which will you be spritzing this season? Available on the Lush app from Wednesday the 27th and in shops from the 29th. I'm so scared. I'm going to pull it out and I don't know what the front is. I'm guessing this is going to be the front and you guys can see what it is first. Excuse my crusty hands. I've been ripping them to pieces over the last few days. I wanted to try this one. We've got Yuzu and Cocoa. Oh, I'm so excited that it's one that I wanted to try. Like, my top 3 were obviously Cinder, Supermilk and Old Songs Awaking. But since filming my reveals, spoilers video, a lot of people in the comments have been describing Yuzu and Cocoa to me, and it sounds amazing. So I'm really excited that I've got it. Love it. Oh God, I'm hoping it just smells like chocolate oranges. For chocoholics that are sweet enough, rich dark chocolate swirls with creamy citrus to wrap you up in a blanket of cocoa that won't overwhelm your sweet tooth. This is so exciting. So in here you've got bergamot oil, grapefruit oil, tonka, cocoa. Oh, okay, let's sniff it. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm really nervous. I'll spray it on my wrist. Oh, that's not what I expected, but that's really good. Let's let it dry off. Let's do it on the other wrist as well. Why not? Let's just do it here as well. Why not? Is that reminding me of something? It's very mildly reminding me of Therapy Massage Bar, I'm not gonna lie. Because I find that, that's a quite chocolatey orange scent, I think. That's really good. Not like what you would expect. I was thinking like posh chocolate vibes with a smidge of orange in, but it's not like that. You can really smell the orange. There's a tiny bit of like powderiness to it as well. I don't feel like I personally get much chocolate, but I do get the orange a lot. And there is like a little background edge to it as well, which I'm thinking might be the grapefruit or the bergamot. Let's spray this. Sorry, I've just been sat here for a couple of minutes just trying to get a really good sort of nose of it. It does give me slight chocolate orange vibes though, I'm not gonna lie. So I can smell the orange predominantly and there is a sweetness to it. And I think the more I'm smelling it is a slight chocolate scent. Obviously the sweetness would be coming from like the tonka and stuff in there. And it does ever so slightly remind me of Therapy Massage Bar, and that is a massage bar that I absolutely love, so I'm not mad at this. I feel like they would pair really well together. It does have like a richness to it as well, like a depth. It's not like sort of like a superficial false chocolate orange scent that you would think. It is a rich but creamy, like layered, really layered. There's like 3 individual things that I can smell. It's orange predominantly, a sweetness, which will be the tonka, and then there's a kick, a slight kick. Oh, that's nice. That's sophisticated, I would say. It's not, I was expecting like a sweetish, you know, like a Honey I Wash the Kids or a Sticky Dates, that kind of vibe, but it's not. It's more sophisticated. Like I would wear that going out for dinner, you know. It's really nice. Exciting. Okay, so this isn't obviously going to be the longest video in the world, but I had to share this with you guys. When the parcel came through the post, I just saw the DPD guy and I was like, what is this? I just thought it was way too early, but we've got it early. I'm so excited to share this with you. So we have Yuzu and Coco. So next Wednesday, when they're released on the app, I will grab 2 others. I'm leaning towards Super Milk and Cinders, but stay tuned. Who knows? I may change my mind and it may be Old Songs Awaken. So stick around. I will probably get next day delivery, I'm not gonna lie. So look out on Thursday. So they'll be released Wednesday and hopefully I'll have them Thursday, film a video and share them with you guys as well. So we have 1 that we've got here. I might pop this in the following video as well and we can do a refresher so we've got all 3. Oh, I'm so excited. Love it. Okay, I'm just sat here being a weirdo now, so I'm gonna go, but I'm very happy with this one. If you guys end up getting this next week as well, do let me know what you think of it. Okay, I'm gonna go, but I will see you next week. Well, I'll probably do a video on Monday of something random, and then I'll do the fragrances on Thursday. So yeah, stay tuned. I love you guys. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye.